Hello everyone and welcome back to Opportunity Hunt. So today I'm excited to share you with some of the amazing opportunity to learn cybersecurity for free and you can earn a certificate from IBM. So this is a great opportunity for people who are looking to start a career in cybersecurity or advance their skills in this field. So IBM has been launched a new online course training program that is completely free. So the program covers a variety of topics including the basics of cybersecurity, risk management and incident responses. So what are the benefits you will be getting once you get enrolled for this course? It's a free training from IBM's expert and you will also learn in-demand skills and you can earn a certificate of completion from IBM. And it will also increase your job perspective as well. So coming to the eligibility criteria, anyone can enroll in this IBM certificate training course and there is no specific requirements or prerequisites are there for this course. So now how to apply for this course? I have given you the link in the description box. Once you click on that link, you will redirect to this page. So if you have account in this IBM account, so you can just simply log into that account, or else if you don't have account, you can press on sign up button and you can create an account and you can log into the account. So I have an account in this IBM, so I will log into the account through Google. So once you log into that account, the dashboard look like this. And you can enroll for this course simply pressing on here. I have enrolled already, so it is showing me unenrolled. So see here enroll button. When you press on enroll button, you will enroll for this course. And as this is a cybersecurity foundation course where it is a pre-work, you need to complete this where you need to complete these 3 modules in order to get 10 weeks of cybersecurity program qualifying. So as I clearly mentioned over here that this is a learning plan with a pre-work to complete and you will get qualified for the 10 weeks program of the cybersecurity. So once you complete these 3 modules, you will get qualified in order to get 10 weeks of program in the cybersecurity course. Here they given steps to enter into the program and like you click on the enroll button and you will get enrolled to this course. And once you complete the pre-work activity, you can see in the section below only after you complete the activity. So you will receive an invitation to attend the technical sessions and links into the program course that you will get mailed after completing this course only. Okay, so once you complete these 3 modules, you can get the certificate too as well. Let me open any one of the module in order to show you this. So I have opened this module and you can simply press on next button. You can do this course, and after completing this course in action, you can see here certificate where you can get the certificate over here, right? And once you complete this whole courses, these 3 modules, you will get the mail within 48 hours of the 10 weeks of IBM certificate course. These 3 modules you can easily complete within 2 hours, and in modules will contain of videos and quizzes and hands-on exercise as well. So complete that course and grab this wonderful opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity, right? And upon that also, once you complete this course, you will get a certificate of IBM, where if you add this certificate in your resume, the resume's weightage will also get increased. Okay, so don't forget to enroll for this course. So I hope you find this opportunity helpful. So if you have any questions, please leave me a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to Opportunity Hunt for more jobs and internship opportunities. So thanks for watching.